Hey guys, today I want to walk you through a powerful workflow that has saved me countless hours when turning raw audio into polished, engaging AI talking head videos. I'm talking about taking messy, long-form podcast tracks and turning them into snackable, high-engagement social media clips that actually get views. Many of you are using tools like NotebookLM, but the real challenge is taking that single stereo file and turning it into a professional video where individual AI avatars move their lips only when they are speaking. If you just upload one raw track to an avatar generator, you end up with that uncanny effect where both characters mouth the same words at the same time, which instantly kills the illusion. Usually people try to fix this by manually editing the audio in a digital audio workstation, but slicing up a 20-minute episode can easily take you over an hour of painstaking work. That's why I started using Speakersplit to automate the heavy lifting of separating speakers into individual, clean tracks. It identifies the different voices in your audio, splits them into separate files, and even gives you a diarized transcript so you know exactly who said what. It is incredibly fast, often processing a 30-minute file in under 2 minutes, and it uses a pay-as-you-go credit system that keeps costs manageable. Now, once you have those clean audio files, you have the option to take things further by using 11 Labs to give your characters distinct, natural-sounding voices. Adding unique accents or tonal tweaks can really help differentiate your AI speakers, but this does add complexity to your production pipeline. The problem is that once you have your perfect AI video rendered, you are still stuck with a long file that needs to be chopped into dozens of pieces for social media. That is exactly where Vizard steps in to save the day by handling the next phase of content creation. Vizard isn't trying to synthesize your audio, but it is an absolute powerhouse for identifying high-energy moments and turning long content into clickable clips. The workflow is simple. Start with your source audio, use Speakersplit for isolation, optionally use 11 Labs for unique voice personalities, and then render your long-form AI video. Once that long video is ready, upload it straight into Vizard and let their AI do the heavy lifting. Vizard's auto-editing feature scans the entire video for those high-engagement moments and formats them perfectly for TikTok, Reels, or Shorts. It automatically adds those trending captions, picks the best entry and exit points, and handles different aspect ratios so you don't have to. What I really love is the auto schedule feature, which allows you to set your posting cadence without ever needing to look at a spreadsheet again. You can tell the system exactly how often you want to post, and it handles the scheduling across all your social channels based on engagement data. The content calendar is the ultimate home base for this entire operation because you can preview, edit, or pause your queue from one single dashboard. For creators who are managing multiple shows or busy schedules, that centralized visibility is honestly worth the price of admission alone. Of course, there are other tools out there, but piecing together editors, schedulers, and AI tools separately creates a messy chain of manual handoffs. Vizard hits that perfect sweet spot by combining AI-first editing with built-in scheduling, which is perfect for solo creators or small teams. If you're just starting out, my best advice is to give the AI hints about the type of content you want, like focusing on hot takes or funny moments. Start with a consistent cadence, like 2 or 3 posts per week, and slowly scale up as you learn what your specific audience loves. Remember to keep an eye on your credit usage across these platforms, because the goal is to make every processed episode generate dozens of clips that drive new views. Don't feel like you need to over-engineer every single video, because the biggest wins in content creation always come from consistency and relevance. So, to recap, use Speakersplit for clean audio separation, tweak your voice personalities in 11 Labs if needed, and rely on Vizard to automate your clips and scheduling. It sounds like a lot of steps, but once you run this pipeline once or twice, it becomes a plug-and-play process that will save you hours every single week. If you want a follow-up video where I dive into the exact settings I use or show a live demo of the scheduling UI, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and if you are serious about scaling your content without burning out, this exact workflow is going to be a massive game changer.